revenue per mille, or RPM. Cost per mille, or CPM. What's the difference? Mille is an Italian and French word. It means 1,000. No, stop. Not €1,000 or dollars, yet. So, CPM is cost per 1,000, and RPM is revenue per 1,000. RPM is the estimated earnings that accrue for every 1,000 impressions received from YouTube. RPM is much more useful for creators who are trying to grow their channels and figure out where their monthly income is coming from. RPM shows a creator's total revenue, both from ads and other monetization areas. Whether RPM goes up or down, it's a good indication of things that are working or not working in your revenue strategy. YouTube introducing RPM doesn't mean CPM numbers are irrelevant. The higher the CPM, the more an advertiser is paying for that ad, and the more money a creator makes on a video. If a creator has a higher CPM, it can be a pretty good indicator of how valuable a specific advertiser finds that creator's channel and its videos. YouTube's new RPM stat won't show that same kind of advertisement indicator. The CPM varies per video, which means that you can create videos targeting highly competitive keywords, niches, without changing your entire channel. Just make sure you don't stop enjoying making videos, or you won't last for long. Long live the creators.